Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. This time we're making chocolate banana bread. Let's get right to it. You will need 3 ripe bananas. Make sure they're really nicely ripe so you don't have to use a lot of sugar in the recipe. I like to blend them because I don't like lumps of bananas in the bread. Moving on to our dry ingredients, you're gonna need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. For healthier options, you can opt for wheat flour or half and half of oat flour, and almond flour works amazing. Next, I'll be adding 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and a little less than half a cup of castor sugar. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, which is a healthy alternative to brown sugar. You can also use jaggery powder instead of this. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. It's just a healthy touch to this bread. You can totally skip this part. And now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now mixing all our wet ingredients together. To this bowl, I'm gonna add half a cup of melted unsalted butter. You can use ghee or coconut oil or any other oil that you wish. Then I'm gonna add 2 eggs at room temperature and mix it thoroughly. So we'll be adding our dry ingredients part by part to this wet mix. I'm doing this in 3 parts. Now at this point the mix may seem too dense, but I promise it's gonna come together. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just adding a few roughly chopped almonds and walnuts here. You can totally skip this part and add a lot of chocolate chips if you are a chocolate lover, but we are trying to make this recipe as healthy as possible. Now I'm adding a splash of almond milk. You can use any milk. This is just to get the right consistency of the mix. And now I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of bittersweet dark chocolate chips. You can feel free to add more if you want. I'm just trying to make this as less sweet as possible. Almost forgot this key ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix that well. Now line a parchment paper in a loaf tin. This makes it super easy to remove the bread once it's cooled down. Now for aesthetics, I'm just decorating the top of the bread with some chocolate chips. You can add seeds or nuts of your choice, or even a slice of banana looks good. After baking it at 360 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, do a fork or toothpick test. If it comes out clean, it's done. And then keep it out for cooling for 20 to 30 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. Look at that. This looks perfect. Texture is so great, and it's not very sweet, just the way I like it. And if you switch to a healthier option of flour, oil, or sugar, you'll land up with a healthier version of this chocolate banana bread recipe. It's perfect as an evening snack with a coffee or chai. And it's perfect for people who have a sweet tooth like me and are constantly looking for a healthier alternative. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Follow for more recipes and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment on how you like this video and what would you like to see next. Signing off until next time.